Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do unboxing review of Faber-Castell acrylic colors. I recently bought this acrylic colors from Amazon, and you get 12 acrylic colors in this pack. Each tube is 20 ml, and you get one pigment pen inside, which we are going to see later. It has glossy finish, and they are very opaque as it mentioned in the back, and you can check other details as well, and you can check on Amazon also. I really like the shades, like this middle purple pink and grass green, and the price is 550 rupees. So let's open it and see how the packaging is, and then we are going to do the swatches. So this is my first time when I'm using this pen, so yeah, this is going to be one very honest opinion about these colors. I really like the shades, that's why I bought it. I generally use Camlin acrylic colors. So this is the pen which we are going to see now. Let's open this. I really like the tubes, and the caps are very easy to use, because in that Camlin one, that caps are very, after some time it's very hard to open. So this is a plus point. And this is the pen. This is like normal micron pen, which we are going to use maybe in some other video or tutorial. So we'll quickly swatch all the colors, and let's see how opaque and glossy they are. I'm going to swatch them like always in a white and black surface, so that we can see how opaque they are. The shade colors are similar, like the goage colors, my favorite goage color, and you generally don't get these kind of shades in acrylic color. That's why I felt like buying this. So let's quickly do the swatching and see how they work. As you can see, the colors are really opaque because they are quite visible on the black surface as well, which I find it difficult when I paint them with the Camlin one. So yeah, that is a plus point with these colors, and they are very vibrant. As you can see, they are very vibrant. They look more like gouache paints. So these are the swatches. Of course, they are very glossy and very opaque, and I really like the texture. They are not so thick or runny in consistency, so that is a very good part. I really like this pink and this blue and this green. These all are my favorite colors, so let's quickly draw something with them, and let's see how they work on white surface. I really wanted to use them on canvas, but maybe for some other video I'll definitely paint something with them on a canvas and on a black surface as well. One thing I really like about these colors is the texture is very smooth. So you are getting 12 acrylic colors in this pack, and all are 20 ml, and the price is only 550 rupees. So yeah, you can definitely give it a try. They are very smooth on paper, I must say. If you are someone who is searching for a cheap option to just start the acrylic painting, you can definitely go with this. I'm definitely going to paint something on canvas as well with these colors in future, and I am for sure going to post it so that you can see how they work on canvas as well. If I'm not going to make video, then I'll definitely post that on my Instagram. I do post regularly on my Instagram, so you can follow me on my Instagram as well. So yeah, this is how it's looking, and I really like the texture, and they are very smooth, and they do have glossy finish, and they are very opaque. So yeah, according to me, these are very nice colors, and you can definitely give them a try. If this video is helpful for you in any way, then give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions. And yeah, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.